In this video, you'll learn how to add and protect your membership site pages so only your members can see them. I'll also show you how to make your pages viewable to specific members. This lets you offer different membership levels and choose which pages members from different tiers get to see. Follow these steps for every page that you want certain members or membership levels to access. There are two main steps we'll cover: add pages to your membership site and protect those pages. The first thing we're going to do is add pages to your membership site. This step is pretty straightforward. To add a page to your site, just publish the page using your membership site's domain. You can publish it on any page of that domain. Let's say that your membership site is called slurpeestoburpees.com. That means the pages at slurpeestoburpees.com/lessonhome or slurpeestoburpees.com/course1/lesson1 are both going to be a part of your membership site. And that's it. When that's done, you'll see the protected page show up in your membership site pages collection. Remember that adding pages to your membership site doesn't automatically protect them. In the next step, we'll make sure that just your logged-in members can see your pages. Go to the page you want to protect, click Settings, then Display Settings. You'll see the question, Display this page to whom? Using the drop-down, select All Logged-in Members. Choosing this option will make it so that only your logged-in members can see the page. When you click this, another field pops up asking where you want to redirect those who land on this page but don't have access to it. If you leave this blank, people will see a login screen. But you can send them anywhere you want by plugging a specific URL here. Rather than simply allow all members to see your page, maybe you want to get a bit fancier. In that case, click Some Logged-in Members. Selecting this option will show an Add a Condition button, which lets you limit access based on the information in a member's contact record. What you might want to do here is limit access to a specific page based on whether or not they've purchased a specific product. To do that, click the Add a Condition button. Once a conditions box appears on your screen, click Add Condition. Here, you'll see a condition called Has ordered a certain amount of a product. Select this and fill it out. Next to Has ordered, choose greater than or equal to. For the quantity, type in 1 and make your course the product type. Now, only those who bought your course will be able to see this page. Easy peasy. Remember that if someone lands on this page but doesn't have access to it, they'll get redirected to wherever you choose. So you might want to send them to a sales page that pitches your course. Another example of when these settings come in handy is dripping content to members over time. This setup takes a little more effort, but I'll show you exactly how to do it in the Bringing It All Together video. That's all there is to it. Now that your membership site is up and your pages have been added and protected, the last thing you'll do is add users to your site. To learn how to do that, be sure to watch our Giving Users Access video.